Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to request for travel to New Zealand in this pandemic. So guys, there are travel restrictions, border closures around the world, but for some essential reasons traveling is allowed, and for that you need to get the approval if you don't fall into the exception category. Anyway, so in front of you I've opened the official page where it says when to use this form. You can only request to travel to New Zealand while the border is closed if one of the critical purpose reasons apply to you. So reasons you can check here. And when you arrive to New Zealand, you must enter managed isolation or quarantine and follow the directions of a medical officer of health. The fee for requesting to New Zealand is $45 New Zealand dollars for each person. If you are an Australian who normally resides in New Zealand, you will not be charged a fee. You will be charged a fee at the end of the form. You can pay with a Visa or Master credit card. Okay. So for the first question is, are you an Australian citizen or permanent resident? So let's say no and click next complete form. Next is coming your reason to travel. Family member of a New Zealand citizen or resident visa holder, family member of a work or student visa holder in New Zealand, you normally live in New Zealand, compassionate reason, critical health worker, nominated individual. So let's say I select family member. Then based on whatever you select here, the next question is come, like a partner of New Zealand citizen or resident visa holder, dependent child, legal guardian, work. Then I select second family member of a work or student visa holder in New Zealand. Then these options are coming. So let's say I select the second option, family member of a work or student visa holder, partner dependent child of temporary visa holder in New Zealand, and you have a visa based on your relationship. So let's say I select this. Be careful. Are you applying as a partner or dependent child? I select partner. Describe your circumstances. So you need to provide full details here. Which country is your primary place of residence? So let's say you are coming from India. You need to select it carefully. What is the full name of your partner? Put that. Live in New Zealand, yes. And then look at your visa label. Which one is applicable to you? So I select its current. What type of visa does your partner currently hold? Work. When does your partner visa expire? So these are the general questions then that you can put. Have you lived with your partner in a genuine stable relationship? Yes. Provide a brief timeline and history of your relationship. They are asking every detail. Upload supporting evidence, and you can even add more evidence. Wow. Principal applicant passport details. You are the principal applicant if you are requesting to travel to New Zealand. So yours, not your partner's. Your information, passport details, citizenship, country, time, birth. If you have applied with them, then it would be there like a client number, your new contact details, character details. If I select yes here, means more information, secondary applicant will come. So based on the answers, this form is like really interactive, but it's really good because if you miss any mandatory field, the form will not get submitted. The following question apply to everyone included in this category, age 17 and older. Have you or anyone included in this request have been deported, removed or excluded from another country, not New Zealand? Are you or anyone included in this currently prohibited from entering New Zealand? Okay. Any offense in any country? Convicted of an offense which you were sentenced for 5 years or more imprisonment. So basically they are checking your admissibility. Now health, dialysis treatment, tuberculosis, physical incapacity, what countries you have visited, that is also important. And now these are COVID questions as well. Have you been tested for COVID? Yes. date, then it's gonna ask all these questions. Privacy statement, and then once you submit, you're gonna pay the fee. So this is a sample video, so I'm not gonna pay $45. Sorry, I don't have that much for sample video, but this gives you an idea. So that's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and if you have any concern, anything, just put that in comment. Thank you.